Hi everyone, welcome to Simply Grace Lifestyle. So in today's video, I have some unexpected guests and we have to set something up for them to eat. So charcuterie board it is. Come on with me guys. So we're starting out here with these delicious pumpkin spice chocolate covered pretzels. I absolutely love these, so these are really good to pick on. Now this video is part of a collaboration called Quick and Easy Meals. And Quick and Easy Meals is every Sunday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Now hosting Quick and Easy Meals is Jean Home Decor and More, Debbie Bubbles. Occasionally we have My Mountain Home and Kitchen. And our new member that just joined is Jennifer at Home. So setting up charcuterie boards is a pretty easy way to entertain and also enjoy your guests. So I'm just putting out something sweet to pick on, and then we'll move on to the next board. So here we're going to go ahead and we're going to set up a cheese board. I think I'm going to add some pepperoni and some crackers, and this will be the perfect setup for some unexpected company, guys. So we make some coffee, we set out some cold drinks, and we are good. So I'm going to leave you to a little bit of music so that you can enjoy the video. All right, so this is looking absolutely amazing, and we're gonna head on over to the reveal. So this is pretty awesome, especially if you have game night tonight. Not sure, but this is good on any occasion, guys. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoy creating it for you. If you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you guys. Amen.